Hi, and welcome back to my channel where I'm documenting my journey on the Optavia 5-in-1 program. And today I have a special treat for you guys, my top 3 dessert fueling hacks. And all 3 involve chocolate and peanut butter. The first of my 3 dessert fueling hacks is a chocolate and peanut butter candy bar. The first thing we need is the decadent chocolate brownie mix. And we just prepare that according to package directions.
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out.
We also need this silicone mold, and we're gonna lay that on a plate so that I'll be able to put it in the freezer. I just make the brownie mixture and then I pour it into the silicone mold. And then I spread it out to fill. You can kind of see what I'm doing. I know it's brown on brown, but. And then I'm kind of move my Greek yogurt chips around so that they're spread out. And then the next step is to prepare 1 tablespoon of PB2 with a tablespoon of water, and then we will swirl the peanut butter into the chocolate brownie.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess.
And then I'm gonna put this in my freezer, and it doesn't matter how long you freeze it for. I mean, I think it'll take a couple hours to freeze solid, but it's so thin that it's okay to have it all the way frozen when you take it out and enjoy it. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer, and then I will check back tonight. This is gonna be my last fueling of the day. Okay, it's the end of the night, and I'm going to try my chocolate peanut butter bar. And look at this. It is just like a chocolate bar. And it's very delicious. Well, I'm going to enjoy this, and I will be back with my other 2 chocolate peanut butter dessert hacks. Hi, I am getting ready to show you my second of my 3 favorite dessert fueling hacks. And this one is going to be chocolate ice cream with peanut butter topping. And what we're gonna need is the creamy chocolate shake mix and the Dash My Pint ice cream maker. We're also gonna need some PB2 for the peanut butter topping. I'm in my robe because I'm actually getting ready to go to a wedding later this evening, but I wanted to share this with you. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to prepare our shake mix with a 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk and a 1/2 cup of water. now we're gonna put our shake into this plastic sandwich baggie, and we're gonna put it in the freezer for about 45 minutes. And then I will put it in the Dash My Pint ice cream maker and show you how it's done. Okay, now I'm gonna put this in the freezer for 45 minutes. The 45 minutes is up, and you can see it's kind of slushy. So this is the portion of the Dash My Pint ice cream maker that you freeze. You have to freeze it for at least 24 hours before you do this. And it goes in this little handle. We pour the ice cream mixture in, which is just our shake, with a half a cup of unsweetened almond milk and a half a cup of water. And then the ice cream maker comes with this paddle, and we put that on and we turn on the ice cream maker, and we let it do its thing for about 25 minutes. And then I will be back to show you the finished product. Okay, while my Dash is finishing up making my shake into ice cream, I'm going to go ahead and make the peanut butter sauce. And I'm simply gonna do that by using 1 tablespoon of PB2 and 1 tablespoon of water. And that should be a good consistency for a sauce to drizzle over my chocolate ice cream. So this wedding I'm going to is non-traditional. The people getting married are both non-binary. It's one of my best friend's daughter is one of the people getting married. And they have encouraged us to dress like punk rock, leather encouraged. So, I don't know, I'm still a little traditional, but I had this jacket, and I got it a few years ago from Walmart. I believe Beyonce's mom had a line at Walmart at one point in time, and this is one of her jackets. It's sort of like a faux leather. So this is my nod at trying to be a little punk rock. All right, let's see what this ice cream looks like. Okay. Now it's sort of like soft serve. And I have had it before where it was harder. I believe I didn't freeze it long enough. I did freeze it for 45 minutes, but I think next time I would do it for about an hour at least. And then I will pour my peanut butter sauce over my chocolate shake ice cream. And there you have it. Now I'm gonna go enjoy this, and then I'm going to go to my wedding, and I will see you for my 3rd dessert fueling hack. It's time for the 3rd dessert fueling hack. And this time I'm going to repeat a recent disaster that I did in my What I Eat in a Day video a few weeks ago, the chocolate peanut butter cups. If you recall in that video, I did not freeze them long enough, and they were kind of a mushy disaster. So this time I want to do it right, and I'll show you how. So we're going to need the decadent chocolate brownie mix, and we're going to need 2 tablespoons of PB2, and this will constitute an optional snack. And again, this recipe is a repeat from a few weeks ago, and it's from Sandy's Kitchen, and I will link that below. So let's get started.
Warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me in there. turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point of this? But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? So curious.
All right, so I've got these made. I'm gonna put these in the freezer. I think I'm gonna do about 2 hours, which should work out. I actually have a nail appointment that I'm going to. So I will have this as my last fueling of the day, and I'll be back to tell you how they turned out. I'm back from getting my nails done, and I have taken my peanut butter cups out of the freezer. I ended up staying away a little bit longer than I planned because I went to visit my daughter after I got my nails done. And so then I had to put it in the microwave for a few seconds because they were too frozen. But anyway, I've had a nice bite. It is absolutely delicious. So I am going to enjoy these peanut butter cups as my last fueling. So I'm going to say goodnight. If you like this video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel. And tick that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you have a great night, and I will see you next time.